In this attribute tables of USA state, we can see it contains the number of males for a particular region and also the number of females in that particular region. Imagine that you want the summation of males and females in that particular region. So you need to create a new field which contain the summation of males and females for corresponding area. How to do this? We can do this by using the power of calculate field. Yes, in this lecture we are going to learn about calculate field. There are two ways we can use calculate field. Way 1, select that field in where you want to calculate, then right click on that field. In this pop-up menu we have calculate field. And way 2 is the shortcut way. By default we have calculate field button in our attribute table. But before that we need to add that field which will contain the summation of males and females. Let's add that field. Let's give a name SUMMF, which means summation of males and females. Data type long, numeric. Okay, let's save this. Here we have our new field. Let's delete this field. Click field, then delete. Click yes. Click this one. Now click delete. Now just use this new field for our calculate field. Select that field. Click calculate. In this calculate field window, we have input table selection. From this list, we need to select USA state, which we already have selected by opening calculate field from the attribute table of USA state. We can change this from here also if we want to use another shapefiles attribute table. Then we need to choose the field name, which is already has been selected, and don't change the expression type. It will be Python 3. Now from this expression section we need to type some code expression, and this is our code text box. In here we need to write some code to run our calculate field. But don't be afraid after hearing any code or expression. It is too easy. Let me give you an important tips for programming and coding languages. When you are going to write any programming language, before that just think about it what you want to make. Based on your thinking, just convert your thinking language to that programming language. Say, in here, my thinking is the value of SUMMF will be summation of males and females. This is my thinking, and based on which I want to create the programming language. So, the programming language will be SUMMF will be males plus females. So, in here, the code will be males plus females, simply that. This is just basic example. If in future you will do any advanced programming language, my suggestion is use these tips. First of all, think yourself what you want to do, then convert your thinking language to your that programming language. Now let's create the code. So to create males plus females in this code, we need to add males field from this field list. Just double click on it. It has been added in this code interface. Here we have equation button. From here we need to use plus. Click this one. So males plus. Now we need to add females by double click here. So our code has been developed males plus females. So the result after run this application of calculate field will be SUMMF is equal to males plus females, which means the SUMMF field value will be the summation of males and females field values. Now let's run this. Here is the result of our calculate field. Expression, this one, expression type, updated input table, which means our table has been updated. Now close this one and see the result. Congratulations, you have created a new field with new values, by using calculation in this attribute table. See, the sum f value is now the summation of males and females values. Now let's write this expression in your computer in your ArcGIS Pro interface. You can also do another types of expression and calculation. Just play with this to enjoy this ArcGIS Pro interface in the field of GIS. Till then, enjoy GIS.